This is something that we wanted to give you for your leadership toolkit to put in your back pocket to help you make rapid decisions as a future focused leader. So it's a pretty simple tool, but I find this really effective to help me get to the decision I need to make. So pretty simple. You're faced with a decision where you need to make, rapid action or decisions. And it's pretty simple to break it down into 3 choices. So choice A, B, or C. So different avenues you could take with the decision. And really, you can go with what is the best case scenario if I went with choice A, choice B, or choice C? And what is the worst thing that could happen if I chose either of the choices A to C? And then as a leader, you can zoom out and look at it from a holistic point of view and go, right, choice A is the best decision or choice C.